So we're at Woodward Tahoe for the summer, and I'm getting ski lessons from Tanner Hall.
My name is Henrick Harlaut.
That was not normal. A-wire, true athlete, you know what I mean?
What?
Boom bomb, connect!
Big up Crash Test Dummy Crew. I'm Sammy Carlson.
We're going up the mountain for a sunset shoot here at Barwars.
Hey, this is AY, a professional BMX rider from Jamaica. I'm here at Woodward Tahoe in California, representing Daitas, Inspired Media, Select 6 website, and the Crash Test Dummy Stunt team. A couple months ago, I got hooked up with Eric Iberg from Inspired Media Concept. They saw the work that I was doing back home in Jamaica with the Crash Test Dummy Stunt team and also with the Daitas program, and they thought that I would be a very good addition to the Inspired team. So I'm here for Inspired Week, training with pro athletes and trying to develop my skills so that when I get back home to Jamaica, I can transfer whatever I have learned here to these kids. I am on the upper level. Just give you a full view of the entire layout of the facility. We have mats for gymnastics, we got a foam pit, trampoline. Over here we got a concrete skate park. Over to my right here you have the big foam pit. Then we got the rollings coming up. The rest to the right. Now let me give you a closer look. This is basically where all the pros stay when they come here and get back and chill. First floor down to the basement. This place is really sick. Oh, this is a perfect example of creative usage of space, because this entire setup, this area, is underneath the skate park, this is underneath the foam pits, this is underneath the trampolines, and we got like little rooms which is going to be a recording studio. We got rails, ledges, cupboards, closets, vert walls. Now check this baby out. Look at that. My favorite part of this entire setup is the rolling. Yeah, going to the mega foam pit. It's sick. So, nice 6-foot kick. The foam pit. Got the ski jump. Got the launchers. I prefer the big one. This is the different sets of rollings. Got a big one on the top, that's my baby right up here. Nice pump track rhythm sections like box to box. Then we got a Euro gap, quarter transfer, you know. It's not gonna take it to my favorite place. Mini ramp tucked away right here, so all these skateboarders is gonna warm up. This here is where I spend most of my days, and most of the time that I've been here, I've hit this rolling like probably over 200 times in less than 2 weeks. But look at there, this is what I see every time before I launch.
Yeah, so
You know what? I'm gonna hit the trampoline. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Still keeping the style. What? Oh yeah. And that's the extent of my trampolining skills. So I'm here with Maude Raymond. Introduce yourself.
Well, you said it, Maude Raymond. I'm from Canada. I'm born in Montreal, live in Montreal. Spend my winters in Mammoth.
So how's your week been?
Really fun, tiring, but really exciting and fun to learn a lot of stuff.
Yeah, so what about the people you're staying with? Are you stoked about it?
Well, I'm mostly stoked about them, for sure. The crew was amazing. Fun times.
Awesome. Do you want to have babies now?
No.
Man!
No babies for me.
Super champ. There's only 2 in the country. Pretty stoked to be bouncing on it.
We'll decide in 3 minutes who wins.
Alright, 3 minute jam, go.
Oh my God!
Nice job.
I think we're done.
All right, my name's Rich Mangum. We're out here at the Truckee pump track. It's just built about a week ago, or finished a week ago. A-Wire was in town up at Woodward. I told him he's got to come down and check this out before he heads back to Jamaica. He hasn't stopped since we've gotten here. I'm on my 4th water break. He's still going. And I think he's going to go back, and somebody's probably going to end up with a bunch of jumps on their property when they wake up in the morning and have a bunch of people out there shredding. So he's definitely inspired.
Never rode anything like this. It's so much fun. I'm getting ski lessons from Tahoe. That should be very interesting.
That was not normal. A-Wire, true athlete, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.